Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sharpen your tools using a stropping board and polishing paste. Here is the polishing paste. The sharpening board comes in two types of hardness. One side is softer and the other is harder, so you can choose depending on your tool and finish. I start by applying the polishing paste onto the hard leather side. The more carefully you spread the paste, the better the sharpening results will be. Then, I do the same on the softer side. Here, I take a regular straight chisel. You can see its flat edge. When sharpening, it's important to hold the tool at an angle that matches the bevel of the blade, so it stays flat against the board. Then I do the same with the backside of the chisel.